Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel DIY with Indrani. So after erasing the lines of this drawing, I have started coloring with watercolor. This is Gamboge shade. You can also use medium yellow of any other watercolor that you have. All the names of these colors I will mention on the right side of the screen so that you can do it very easily. Step by step you have to do. First you have to complete the base color, which is yellow, on all the jewelries that is in this drawing. Because I am using Prussian blue color for the skin tone, which is darker than yellow color, so that's why जो bright lighter colors है उसको मैं पहले complete कर लूँगी. Bright colors means the yellow colors of the jewelry, then the red colors that will be using for the sindoor and lips, forehead. So step by step you have to make it darker. After yellow color I am using yellow ochre. If you don't have yellow ochre, you can make it with brown and yellow color. After the ochre yellow I am using little brown. So for the brown I am not taking it directly. I have mixed little ochre yellow and brown color so that it is little lighter than the normal one. Now I have used crimson lake, which is the pure red color that we have. There is no mixture of orange color now. You can see this is the pure red color. So wherever you will do the red color, first you have to make everything red color. जैसे कि मैं आइज़ के अंदर, नोज़ के ऊपर, फोरहेड एंड लिप्स सब मैं कर लूँगी. Now many of you will have the problem of doing the small detailing part. You will use fine brushes, okay, that is available in the market. It can be any brand फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. ओके, आई एम यूजिंग दिस वन फ्रॉम कैमल्स, जो कि आपको ब्लिंकिट में मिल जाएंगे, 10 मिनट में आ जाएंगे. ठीक है. ऑल्सो यू कैन परचेज फ्रॉम ऑनलाइन अमेजोन स्टोर और फ्लिपकार्ट, फ्रॉम एनीवेयर you want, or any local shop. As you can see, I am using a very fine brush. This is brush size number 2, because this is a very small part. So अगर आप बड़ा वाला ब्रश यूज़ करेंगे तो सब बिगड़ जाएगा. This is Prussian blue color that I am using. So step by step you have to make it darker. पहले ही डार्क कलर मत देना. जब आप वाटर कलर करोगे तो एज you can see how I am doing, see the process and just do what I am doing now. So कैसे मैं फेस को थोड़ा थोड़ा करके डार्क कर रही हूँ. As you can see, now I am using black color, plain black color for the eyebrows, eyelashes and the eyeballs. Everything will be black. I have kept the eyes little simple. I didn't use any other color like ochre and brown for the eyeballs, because I will be using little white highlight after it dries up. And one thing you have to keep in mind, that when you are doing the face or any part of the body, पहले जो कलर आप दिया है, when it dries out, then only you can use the next color beside it. Now that I am using the hair with black, once the red has dried up, I am using the black color. If it is still wet, then it will be a mess in your drawing. You can also use a dryer, hair dryer, to dry up your drawing faster, so that you don't have to wait so long. So this is the black color that I am using, and I'm using it after making the jewelry and the face. Now little more red color I'm using because the forehead is looking little lighter. I'm making it little deep. Now I'm using all the same colors that I have, like Prussian blue and the red color, black color for the shadow. I'm using white poster color and zero size brush for making the highlights and the detailing on the face. If you don't have the zero size brush, please don't do the eye part now. Buy a brush from zero size to size number 2. All the sizes you have to use when you are doing the smaller section of the drawing. So little by little I am making it darker with all the same colors. Now again I am using Prussian blue for the neck part, the chest and the hand. So this is the part 2 of this Kali Maa drawing. Part 3 is coming very soon. Stay tuned for next part. If you want to recreate this drawing, please do it, and you can share it in my Instagram. I can share your artwork in my stories. Tag me, or you can also DM me. Comment below that after this what I can draw, but you have to comment regarding Diwali. Okay, because now I have planned a lot of drawing regarding Diwali. अभी इस महीने में जो फेस्टिवल्स होने वाला है सभी एक एक करके आएगा. So previously, as you can see, I have done a drawing of Kali Maa with all pastel. आपको वो कैसा लगा कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताना, because that was like बहुत साल बाद मैंने ऐसा कुछ किया है. As you all know कि I have not done anything for a very long time in YouTube. So now again I am doing this type of drawing again. इससे पहले मैं कुछ और ही drawing कर रही थी, like commission works and all. For the hair I have used little bit of burnt sienna and black color. Burnt sienna because इसके ऊपर मुझे black से again थोड़ा layers करना है. Lastly I am using poster color, again white, for the highlights. As I already told, jewelry is very easy if you do it step by step as I am doing. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you are new, please subscribe. Those who have already subscribed my channel, thank you so much for watching all my videos patiently. So if you want to recreate this drawing, you can tag me in Instagram. Till then, tata.